Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna। आओ संत प्यारियों, अकथ की करे कहानी। जिसके बारे में कुछ बोला नहीं जा सकता उसकी बात करें। व्हाट अ पैराडॉक्स। कितनी विडंबना है। When you cannot say anything about him, how can you say then? आओ संत प्यारियों, अकथ की करे कहानी। साथ में गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब लिखते रहते हैं और साथ में बोलते रहते हैं, रहाओ रहाओ रहाओ। वाहिगुरु, हरे कृष्णा। साथ में क्रिएशन बनाते रहते हैं और साथ में कहते हैं, वापस आओ, वापस आओ, वापस आओ। कम बैक टू मी, कम बैक टू मी, कम बैक टू मी। सब किछु कर में बाहर नाही, जो बाहर टूंडे सो परम पुलाही। वाहिगुरु। Translation is simple. Everything is inside you. If you're finding it outside, you are delusional. No, but what does it mean? How do we understand it? Sab kuchu kar. Whatever you need, कार चाहिए, बड़ा घर चाहिए, नेम चाहिए, फेम चाहिए, riches चाहिए। घर के अंदर, इस घर के अंदर सब कुछ कैसे हो सकता है? देन यू रियलाइज कि नहीं, घर ए वाला दीवारों वाला नहीं, घर ये वाला इसके अंदर है सब। पर इसके अंदर भी कैसे हो सकता है? सो यू जस्ट स्टार्ट रिसाइटिंग इट। गुरु नानक है सेड, सब कुछ बाहर ना ही। वेल, कीप रिसाइटिंग इट। someday you will start seeing कि सब कुछ जो मुझे चाहिए था वो तो अंदर है, बाहर नहीं। But it will happen with time. They say proteins are required, vitamins are required. Well, you eat them, but you realize that you have eaten something good when your muscles become big and strong, isn't it? That will take time. It's called eating and then digesting and then assimilating and then becoming. So whatever say Guru Nanak is saying, you have to eat it. जेको खावे जेको पुंचे तिसका होए उदारो। खाओ पहले, पहले just take it, सब किछु कर में बाहर ना ही। Just eat this, eat it. Now then you realize eating is not only by the mouth. Eating can be in different ways. Then you will say, oh, I see. Well, you cannot see only with the eyes, you can see with the brain also. And that's when you would see God will be seen not by the eyes, not by the brain, but by something else, which is called heart, which cardiologist cannot teach you what is heart. Neither can an anatomist teach you what is heart. Heart is the core of your being, because we have started thinking everything in terms of forms, so we try and find out where is the heart. Heart is the core of your being. That core of your being which is empty. Empty how? You feeling that बात क्यों नहीं बन रही है जिंदगी में? सब कुछ होते हुए भी कुछ क्यों नहीं है? I am in the crowd yet why am I alone? I've got everything yet I don't have anything. That is called emptiness. That doesn't have any anatomical face. What is that place where you're feeling emptiness? No doctor can show you that. No anatomy book can show you that. Where is that emptiness which is saying कि मेरी बात क्यों नहीं बन रही? Why am I not complete? Hare Ram. Even the spiritual texts will tell you Janma, Aushadhi, Mantra, Tapah, Samadhija, Siddhayaha. Any one of you who does homework also, does some reading also, because scriptures have to be read and then gradually, grad means eaten. and then digested and then assimilated, and then they become you. So the shloka, the sutra says, Janma, by birth, only some people are realized. No, they're not talking about realization here. They're talking about siddhayaha. Means they're seemingly perfected beings. Siddhaya means perfected. By birth, janma, aushadhi, by what they eat, not just medicines, but eat. Eat not by mouth, but eat. I've told you what is eating. So janma, aushadhi. Aushadhi means medicine. No, not really. Anything which you eat. Mantra, tapaha. Tapaha means let things happen. Jab hua, tab hua. Let things happen the way they are. You just participate. Don't try to question why is this happening like this. क्या हुआ, क्यों हुआ, कब हुआ. No, no, no. Just whatever is happening, participate. And accept all the suffering, accept all the victories and losses, and you just be. That's called tapa. And then samadhija. Samadhi is love something, someone so much that your mind never wavers from that. That's samadhi. Love something. Dhyan, when becomes paripakwa, it's called samadhi. When dhyan becomes ripened. And I've always said, dhyan is what? ध्यान आपका किस तरफ ध्यान है, जिस चीज से भी प्यार है उस तरफ ध्यान है. So ध्यान is love. So let your love ripen and become samadhi. बट इससे सबसे क्या होगा? अभी तक इन सब चीजों से परफेक्शन आएगी, बट वो परफेक्शन लास्ट नहीं करेगी. अलब्ध भूमिकत्व and anavasthitatva, these are words, means you will not be able to continuously all the time be in this state. You will not be able to. Samadhi is not the final state of being. Even samadhi is not the final state of being. So finally, jati antar parinam, prakritya purat. Just then you would become complete. Then you will know you are not a human anymore. Jati antar parinam. You would have experienced your divinity. An eternal current which never stops. Eternal current, which is the source of all creation. Whatever I'm speaking, कृष्ण की हर बात का आधार है राधा. Whatever I'm speaking from that state which is beyond speaking. I am not that. Because that state cannot be actually spoken. I am trying to put it in words. Guru Nanak made Guru Granth Sahib, but within that, every moment he's saying Rahao, Rahao, Rahao. Because whatever I'm saying cannot be the final truth, because the truth cannot be spoken. From the truth, the whole creation comes about, and it merges back into that truth. And not finally, but all the time it's happening. This creation and this lay, srishti, sthiti, lay, it's all the time happening. Every moment, sempiternally, eternally happening. The scientists think they can only reach up to that level. That sun is, we see sun as regular human beings, we see sun as a ball of fire, which is giving us light and energy. But the scientist sees it is nothing but the hydrogen atoms meeting and giving you energy. But finally, these hydrogen atoms will finish one day. Naturally, they cannot be unlimited stored anywhere. So these hydrogen atoms one day will finish. It can be 1,000 years, million years, billion years, but someday it'll finish. So the scientists say billions of years, it'll finish. No, 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 no. It will never finish, because anybody who has seen the truth knows that it is eternal, it's infinite. Anyone who's touched the truth, that cannot be a scientist. That has to be a spiritualist. That has to be a Buddha, a Guru Nanak, who has experienced that there's an eternal current within you. Eternal current within you, which is the source of all that is happening in this world. So when Guru Nanak says, Sabke chukar mein bahar nahi, he is showing you, he's taking you there. Go there, come back, come back. Prati prasavaha, apne andar aa jao, apne hi andar, and reach that which is eternal, which is sempiternal, nitya, shashwat, satya. That is Ikunkar, Satnam, Nirpau, Nirvair, Ajuni Saipanga, Kal Murat, Guru Prasad. So that thing is within you, each one of us humans. Actually, it is there within every molecule, every atom. Why only hydrogen? Every atom. So, but human consciousness can experience it by going inwards, by way of Janma, Aushadhi, Mantra, Tapaha, Samadhija. You can experience it, and then finally be that where there is Jati Antar Parinam. When there, you're no more a human then. You are the source of all humanity. You are the source of the creation. So, Prati Prasavaha, go inside you, go inside yourself. Don't stay distracted by whatever is happening outside. They are all distractions. तुम्हें कैसे मैं बताऊं, तुम्हें कैसे मैं कहूं, मेरे पास में अगर हो तो बस इतना ही करूं, तुम्हें दिन भर, तुम्हें हर पल देखता ही रहूं. Who is saying to whom? That source of all that energy, Krishna, is saying it to his creation. And who is the creation? Trigunatmak. जो कुछ भी दिख रहा है, त्रैगुण्य विषया वेदा. जो कुछ भी दिख रहा है, जो कुछ मैं बोल रहा हूं, ये सब कुछ तीन गुणों से बना हुआ है. So he's addressing the three gunas कि तुम वापस आ जाओ मेरे पास. और वापस आके क्या बन जाओ? कृष्ण की हर बात का आधार है राधा. राधा हो जाओ, आदमी ना रह जाओगे फिर. मीरा हो जाओ. Isn't it? So इतना प्रेम हो जाए कि समाधि लग जाए और फिर मर जाओ. मरता मरता जग मुआ, मर भी न जाने कोई. ये रोज रोज का मरना खत्म हो जाएगा उसके बाद. जब तुमसे मोहब्बत की हमने, तब जाके कहीं ये राज खुला. मरने का सलीका आते ही जीने का शऊर आ जाता है. पता चल जाता है कि जीना होता क्या है, नशा होता क्या है, रस होता क्या है, एनर्जी होती क्या है. It is all within you. Guru just comes to push you inside you. He doesn't come to distract you. He becomes a distraction so that the attraction becomes so much that you are forced to go inside yourself. Hare Krishna. And when you go inside yourself, all distractions will collapse. The whole creation will collapse, and you will become that which is the source of creation. You will no more be how मैं. नानक हुक्मे जे बुझे ता हम मैं कहना कोई. You will no more be haume. Haume means you will no more be human. You will become divine. You are divine. Each human being is divine. Every entity in this world is divine, but human alone has the ability, the wherewithal to realize the divinity, to see the divinity. Not with these eyes, not with this brain, but with your own essence. Your own essence. Guru says, if you want to know me, you must know yourself. With these eyes, with this brain, you cannot know me. You can only doubt me. You can get attracted to me. You can get distracted. But only when you know yourself would you know me. So that is what Guru Nanak says when he says, "How Sant pyareo akarth ki kare kahani." करे कहानी अकर्थ केरी कित द्वारे पाइए तन मन तन सब सौंप गुरु को हुक्म मन्निए पाइए और हुक्म क्या है हुक्म मन्नो गुरु केरा गावो सच्ची बाणी कह नानक सुनो संतो कथ्यो अकथ कहानी then you will become an embodiment of the kahani. You will not be able to speak it, but you would be it. This kahani cannot be spoken. Radha Krishna cannot be spoken. They are a reality which is beyond words. You would just experience it and you would not know what's happening. So that's what he means when he says, सब किछु कर्म है. ये जो कंकर पत्थर को आप सब किछु समझ बैठे हो वो है तो कंकर पत्थर ही वो सच्चाई तो है नहीं जो कारें जो नाम ये जो फेम whatever you are aspiring for all illusional delusional सब किछु कर्म है that which you really want is inside you. So the guru comes to tell you what do you really want. You want that fulfillment which birth after birth you've been seeking, but some day some one day you would say मैं सब किछु छोड़ प्रभु तू है त्याया सब कुछ छोड़ प्रभु तू है त्याया और क्या सब कुछ वो कहेगा ये क्या छोड़ा तुमने कंकर पत्थर ही तो छोड़े ये तो डिल्यूशन था ऑलरेडी था ही नहीं कुछ भी जो तुम सोच रहे हो कि मैंने सब कुछ छोड़ दिया तुमको चाहिए ही मैं था तुमको और कुछ चाहिए ही नहीं था बहुत जन्म बिछड़े थे माधो ये जन्म तुम्हारे लेख है वो जो इतने सारे जन्म हुए वो सब इल्यूशन था डिल्यूशन था जिसको तुमने कह दिया मेरे पापों का फल है मैं इसलिए सफर कर रहा हूँ संस्कार है जी मेरे ये सब इल्यूशन था ये सुपना था ये सुपना सोवत नहीं जानने अचेत व्यवस्था में लपटाने किसी भी सोए हुए आदमी को नहीं पता होता कि ये सपना है जब सपना देख रहे होते हो तो वो रियल ही लगता है ऐसे ही ये जिंदगी रियल लग रही है क्योंकि सोए हुए हो जब जाग जाओगे तो यू विल बी मास्टर ऑफ दिस लाइफ एंड व्हाट इज अ मास्टर कॉल्ड guru what else a guru is a master of this life he is beyond life he is not within the box is only problems and out of the box is only solution master doesn't get entangled. A spider doesn't get entangled with a web. It has created it itself. How can it get entangled? सब কিছু कर में अपने अंदर जाओ जाओ जाओ, अंदर जाओ। एक्सट्रोवर्ट बनने की कोशिश नहीं करो, इंट्रोवर्ट ही हो जाओ। Introversion, pratiprasava, will actually make you an extrovert, because then you will be conducting in this life as a master. You will not be a servant to anything and anyone. You will be a master of your own self. And that is what is the goal of life. Hare Krishna. And that's what spirituality is. That's what meditation is. That's what dhyan is. They are only words. Don't get entangled now. First, you were entangled and entrapped in the world. Then you got entrapped and entangled in so called scriptures and so called spirituality. अपने ही अंदर जाते जाओ अपने अंदर, and you would see light. There is light at the end of the tunnel. Just take it from me. Don't sit on the beach and enjoy the ocean. Jump into the ocean and become the Ganga. And no more Ganga now. Ganga is Sagar. And Ganga jumps into the ocean, it is no more called Ganga. So when you become a Gurmukh, then you are Guru. ऐसे ही दाढ़ी वाड़ी बढ़ा के और बाल में पगड़ी डाल के तो कोई गुरमुख नहीं हो सकता. आई एम सो सॉरी टू से. हरे कृष्णा. गुरमुख मीन्स गुरमुख होवे ता एक को जाने. उसको और कुछ पता ही नहीं है, बस एक गुरु को जानता है और कुछ जानता ही नहीं. उसकी बात बन जाएगी, समाधि हो जाएगी. Initially, Guru will come to you in a form, then he'll come to you as a message, then you will start eating the message, then you will start assimilating it, and then you will become it. Isn't it? So eat the message. Eat the message, and the message is go inside yourself. The whole world will tell you, whoa, extrovert, extrovert. Introvert is a pagal, as if. Yes, become that pagal. जब तक तुम मेरे जैसे पागल और नादान न हो जाओगे, तब तक बात कैसे बनेगी. तुम ऐसा कैसे है. जब तक ये नहीं मन से निकलेगा, तब तक वाहो गुरु कैसे होएगी. वाह गुरु, तू ऐसा कैसे है, तेरे साथ सब कुछ इतना आसान कैसे है. तू हवा के जैसे घुल जाता है मुझ में. मतलब तुम्हारा मैसेजेस मेरे अंदर चले जाते हैं. वाई हाउ. बिकॉज एक्चुअली दैट्स व्हाट यू वांट. That's your reality. Whatever I'm saying is nothing, you know, alien to you. It is actually, you know it already. I'm only reminding you. That's why you find it touching the very core of your heart, because it is not something which you don't want. You actually want it. You know it already, but you've just forgotten by distractions. The world has imposed upon you such distractions. पैसा चाहिए, कार चाहिए, कोठी चाहिए, ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए. कुछ नहीं चाहिए. चाहिए तो आपको fulfillment चाहिए. You want that fulfillment, which in spite of everything, if these things were important, then they should have filled your stomach. They have not been able to fill your stomach. But nobody is saying you don't perform. Whole day you must perform. Must carry on. But दिल तुम्हारा लगा रहे उसी चीज के पीछे जो तुमको चाहिए. वो गुरु तत्व है. गुरु नहीं, गुरु तत्व है. और गुरु तत्व क्या है? नाम है. नाम. किसका नाम? आपका अपना नाम. ये जो नाम अपने रखे हुए हैं, ये नाम आपका नाम नहीं है. एक ओंकार सतनाम. हरे कृष्णा. हरे कृष्णा. हरे कृष्णा. मिल जाओ. बचाओ अपने आप को. Hare Krishna.